Racing Jazz is started with incredible hook, break quickly to start rushing about the yards. That is me, Belia Amore. In between horses comes Rock My World. Then next on line is Coastline Pusong Bato. Getting better, getting the wide strip as they make the first turn. Coraggioso, Magdapio comes next, then followed by a striker symbol. Brother Song comes next, then comes Princess Tin, while Nicole Toys is the early trailer by about 20 lengths of the leader, racing down the backstretch with an incredible hook by about 3 lengths. Rock My World in second, and in third comes Coastline. Coraggioso is racing in fourth. Mibelia Amore comes next, getting better. Pusong Bato, then next on line is Strikers Symbols, then followed now by Brother Song, Magdapio, and a long way back to Nicole Toys, who's still racing in less. And they are now entering the home stretch with an incredible hook by about 6 lengths. Rock My World in second. Coraggioso moving up down on the inside. Mibelia Amore is on the outside. Last 75 meters, the curtain closer. Incredible hook with Jesse Basilio Gusse. Second, Coraggioso, Mibelia Amore, Rock My World. Then comes Brother Song. Striker Symbols.
10. Alright, talagang ginranslab na ni trainer David de la Cruz itong last race. Incredible hook crossing the wire first, ridden by JB Gusse.